rebuke the spirit of procrastination. Oh my God. You and me both. It's so funny because I got family members and we all roll a little bit differently. Some of us are more inclined to, let's go, let's go, let's go. If you couldn't tell, I'm that person. Let's go, let's go, let's go. But then you got other people, it's like, well. I mean, just always an excuse. Well, I got these kids, I got this husband, I'm in school, I'm working, I'm this, I'm that. I'm like, all that stuff gonna always be there. We all get the same 24 hours. Is each of our circumstances different? Yes, they are. They are. They are. I don't have children. I got more time than somebody that got kids, right? Somebody else got 5 kids. I have 0. But it don't change the fact that when your light bill is due, it's due. They have never asked me, can you tell me how many kids you have, if you're married, if you have a college degree, if you're this, or if you're that. They never ask that. They never ask that. When the light bill's due, the gas bill due, they want their money. They don't care about your circumstances. So that's something that I kind of had to come to grips with a while back, because the way I was reared, I'm gonna get your question on Royal next. The way I was kind of reared, my parents they spoiled us a little bit, try to shelter us, and most parents do, right? But and even after we got grown and we made certain decisions and had different circumstances and caused different problems in our life, they try to clean it up for us, right? And as I had to tell my mother several times, I'm like, the state don't care about dot dot dot, okay? The government don't care. When they want their money, you got to pay your taxes or whatever it is. They don't care if you're a single parent. They don't care if this sibling is married and that sibling is not. This sibling got 5 kids and this one had none. They don't care about none of that. So we compare each other. Well, I could do a lot better if I was in your situation too, because I don't have no kids. I could do better if I was in your situation too, because I would have a husband. All that don't mean nothing, because you can have a husband, he ain't worth nothing. Right? You got a wife, she ain't worth nothing. You got kids and they bad. Somebody else's kids are good. But none of that matters at the end of the day when you have to pay these bills out here. Right? So you don't get a pass to say, well, I'll get to it. I'm coming. And I'll change that. You do get the right to choose. But you also get to choose your results and your outcomes. So if you ain't putting nothing into anything, you ain't got nothing coming. But if you have a business and you work your business just a little bit, that's why I don't even like to call it a side business. Okay, Coriel. Hey, Coriel says, how to get attorney clients. You have to market to attorneys if that's who you want to work with. What state are you in and what are you trying to market to them? We're going to take these last couple questions and get out of here. What state are you in, Coriel, and what are you trying to market to attorneys? Royal Next says, are they videos? Yes, they are videos, but it's not your regular video. Every single course I'm teaching you like you and I are sitting in a room together, just like we're sitting here on this YouTube live. Oh, you need to quit backing up. That's how I teach. So if we're talking about the estate/trust course, I'm giving you different scenarios. I'm showing you actually the documents, how to actually stamp it, like, where your stamp should go, what the gold seal should look like. They're very, very detailed. So you can look at the reviews here on notaryeducators.com. There are plenty of reviews from all of our trainings, because we've had different trainings for the past 4 years. You can look at the reviews. I think it's a whole playlist of how we teach. If you like how I'm teaching you now, you will love how I teach in the sessions. And then don't forget, you got the weekly live piece to that too. Okay. Coriel says she's in Tennessee. Estate planning. Yeah, you should be able to work with attorneys there. And you just got to reach out to them and let them know what services you offer. Most attorneys do not even know that we offer mobile services. They do not even know that. So you really want to look for attorneys that maybe like a one-stop shop or a one-person show. They don't have a whole team. So they might prepare the docs and send the docs to you, and then you can go out and print. You can print them and take them to the client is one option. Sometimes they'll mail the documents to the client and they'll say, hey, Coriel will be there to notarize them for you, or they'll have you come right to their office and notarize. So that's an excellent plan for you to do that. And I would challenge you, Coriel, to make sure you do know how to handle estate packages before you try to do this, okay? Don't just say I'm going to go market to attorneys and you don't really know how to handle estate packages. How do you learn estate packages? We have a whole course on that, estate/trust training course. It's thebomb.com. You can buy it for the course by itself, 60% off. Coupon code is WIN2025, WIN2025 at notaryeducators.com, or it's included in the all-inclusive mentorship. So whichever way you want to get access to that. But make sure you know some of the verbiage. What is an affiant? What is an attorney in fact? What is a codicil? I couldn't even think of it. Make sure you know some verbiage, okay? Royal says, which one should I get to get started? I would recommend the starter package. And it depends on how serious you are. So since you're working 9 to 5, I would recommend a starter package. Start out with the 27, get your basics, come to a few live sessions, and let's get you motivated. Let's get you going. You can see what other people are doing in the live sessions. Every week we meet, and the topics that we're going to talk about for this month are up. December's coming soon. So don't be a procrastinator. I love that. Let's quit waiting on everything. I'm gonna do it. Even my health. Me and Jeffrey talking about that. We tired of let's do it. And we did really well for a long time, but I'm about to get back on track. Because I had lost almost 30 pounds. I gained 15 of it back. But I still feel pretty good because I kept the other 15 off. Well, I'm going to get out of here, guys. Last chance for questions. Last chance. The vehicle has started. Look, the car has started. Last chance for questions. What else do we have? But I will leave you with this for real, though. Own something. I say that now in every video. Own your business. Own your future. Own your life. Okay? I'm not saying we're not going to make money from corporate America 9 to 5. Keep your 9 to 5. I'm not saying that. But what I am saying is be ready. Plan B. Especially if you're sitting on your commission already. Let's turn that commission into cash. All right, let's do it, people. I'm going to get out of here. Again, if you have a client, just to put this in a nutshell, they do not swear to God. It's not a big deal. You're just going to say, okay, you affirm or you acknowledge or you're in agreement. Boom. That's what we're doing with oaths, okay? All right, guys. Well, until next thing, all things notary, notaryeducators.com. I will see you over in mentorship, or I will see you here live sometime tomorrow, okay? Bye.